How to become a Shutterstock contributor Part 2, How do I submit photos for review? Shutterstock is always looking for new content to add to our collection. Contributing images to Shutterstock is free and you will retain the copyright to your work. Submitting photos to Shutterstock is simple. Quality: photos that are submitted to Shutterstock must be of professional quality and each image will be evaluated by a reviewer. File types and sizes: we accept JPEG and TIFF files that are at least 4 megapixels or larger. Step 1. Upload your content. Shutterstock offers two options for uploading your photos, via your web browser or via FTPS. JPEG and TIFF files under 50 megabytes can be uploaded directly from the upload page in your account. Click on Upload at the top of your contributor account page and simply drag and drop files into the uploading window or select multiple files from your desktop. Files over 50 megabytes must be uploaded via an FTP client. Step 2. Tagging and metadata. Once your photos have successfully uploaded, you will need to enter titles, description, keywords, and categories. This information is known as metadata, and makes it possible for people to discover your photos. You can enter your own keywords, or select appropriate keywords from our keyword suggestions, which are automatically generated by our vision technology that finds images that are visually similar to the one you are submitting and suggests relevant and previously successful keywords for you to choose from. You can also add any of the following, if necessary: property release, model release, editorial designation, and notes for reviewers. Step 3. Submit your content. Once your content is ready, just click Submit to send it for review. If nothing happens after clicking Submit, it is most likely because your submission contains an error. The most common error is misspelled keywords, which are outlined in red. What happens next? You will receive an automated email from Shutterstock confirming that we received your submission. Within a few hours your submitted content will appear in the pending approval section of the contributor dashboard. Thank you for watching and good luck.